Spike. Hi, buddy. How are you? He's so handsome. And here we have Fig Newton, our one-eyed wonder pony. Hi, Fig Newton. How are you? Can you back up a little bit for me? Back up? Back up? Can you wave hello? Hi, sweetheart. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. Oh, here comes little Seymour. Hi, Seymour. How are you, handsome? Do you have some kisses? Mwah. Let's go say hi to their friends, Wilbur and Paddie Cakes. Hi, Wilbur. Hi, Paddie Cakes. Can you guys wave for me? Can you say hello? Can you say hi? Wave to us. Wave to us. Come on. Good girl, Paddie Cakes. Come on, Wilbur. Come on, Wilbur. Oh, come on. Good boy. Good girl, Paddie Cakes. That's a handsome donkey. That's a pretty handsome donkey.